What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat apples.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Where is the sun?
The sun is in the sky.
Is the grass green?
Yes, the grass is green.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What do you do in school?
I study and play.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is teddy bear.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What do you wear on your feet?
I wear shoes.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love to dance.
What do you drink when you are thirsty?
I drink water.
Do birds fly?
Yes, birds can fly.
Where do fish live?
Fish live in water.
What do cows give us?
Cows give us milk.
What is the color of an apple?
An apple is red.
Can you clap your hands?
Yes, I can clap my hands.
How many legs does a dog have?
A dog has 4 legs.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and brush my teeth.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a rabbit.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What do you do when you are happy?
I smile and laugh.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bed.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What do you do with a pencil?
I write with a pencil.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Where does the rain come from?
The rain comes from clouds.
How many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
Can you touch your toes?
Yes, I can touch my toes.
What do you wear on a rainy day?
I wear a raincoat.
What makes you laugh?
Funny things make me laugh.
What do you do when you are sleepy?
I go to bed.
What do bees make?
Bees make honey.
Do you like playing in the park?
Yes, I love playing in the park.
Where do you go when you are sick?
I go to the doctor.
What do you see at night in the sky?
I see the moon and stars.
What do you wear when it's cold?
I wear a jacket.
What do you do with your nose?
I smell with my nose.
What shape is a ball?
A ball is round.
What do you use to eat food?
I use a spoon and fork.
What color are bananas?
Bananas are yellow.
Where do birds build their nests?
Birds build their nests in trees.
Can you skip?
Yes, I can skip.
What do you see in the zoo?
I see animals.
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What do you see in an aquarium?
I see fish.